Café Hollywood is one of those spots inside of Planet Hollywood that hits you with that classic Vegas energy the second you walk in. Bright lights, bit of movie themed flair makes it feel like a throwback diner with a modern twist. Open 24/7, whether you're rolling in after a long night on the strip, grabbing a midday bite, or just a spot you want to hit while being on the casino floor. That menu is stacked with favorites, big breakfast, burgers, massive shakes and desserts that practically demand a photo before you dig in. Service quick, portions generous. Atmosphere walks that perfect line between casual and flashy, not being fancy. It's trying to be fun and it nails it. Whether you're here for a late night feast, hangover saving breakfast, or just time to chill, Café Hollywood. Can't wait to do it again.